Okay, so it is literally so wet. You can't even see the raindrop. But yeah, you know, like if you play real high, you know, like when it has like those things on it, and like it's like in the apartments. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, I'm gonna put on my flip-flops. And then we're gonna go out there. I unlocked the door before. Okay. Oh, it's so cold out here. It's not as windy as before, but you can feel the rain a little bit more now. But it is so cold. Oh, and don't worry. We like put this in for a reason. And like, yeah, don't worry. We like go through that because we also have that. But yeah, don't worry about that. It is so cold, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go back in. This is like my first real life video. Bye guys! Oh my gosh, it was so wet out there. There we go, the door is closed. Bye guys!